Hello everyone, in front of me is Motorola One 5G Ace, and let me show you how to manage navigation bar. So as you can see, currently we are set up with gesture navigation, so sliding up once will redirect us to main screen. Then you can go back by sliding from left to right or from right to left. And finally, to see all recently opened apps, you just have to slide up and hold your finger for a while. And here you've got all the apps. But whenever you want to change it and use button navigation, you need to open settings, then the quickest way is to enter in search area navigation, and then just pick navigation bar. Here, system, actually let's click on system navigation and select system navigation again. So here, as you can see, you can switch between gesture navigation and free button navigation. So obviously choose the one that you like to use, that you prefer to use. And for example, if we wish to stay with free button navigation, we've got those free icons here. So this is the back button, obviously. Here we can see all recently opened apps, and in the middle of the screen we can click in order to go back to our home screen. So this is it, that would be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.